there, my name is Bridget from the Checchi Homestead. In today's video I'm gonna show you my favorite dandelion syrup recipe, which I have already tried out last year and it turned out so delicious. So I thought that I would share it with you guys. By the way, you can find the recipe written down under the video in the description box. There will be a link for you to follow to our website. So go ahead and check that out as well. So let's start it.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone.
After you have soaked your flowers for at least 24 hours, you have to make sure to squeeze out all the goodness from them. And after each cup of water you gained out of the flower liquid, add 1 cup of sugar. Say like you have 4 cups of water, you add 4 cups of sugar to it. Then you put it up to cook on slow heat for at least 30 minutes. Have our lemonade. Let's taste it. It's so delicious. I wish you could taste it. Cheers! I hope this recipe was useful to you. If you like the video or the topic, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button as well. That would help our channel a lot. And see you in the next video. Bye!